Yes, my friends from all over, when you watch my channel, I appreciate your contributions, your comments, and also subscriptions that I'm receiving each new day. But anyway, today I want to show you the best 10 military drones. Yes, military drones that are available around the world in our era in this time. As you saw, maybe probably from my last video, I showed you the commercial drones, how they influenced the warfare in the world. But today I want to show you only this kind of drones, the military drones, and how they work. So we are moving away from man-powered or maneuvered planes like this, and now we are starting to talk about uh, vehicles that don't need any pilot inside, and yet they do a very devastating work. So join my channel and watch the 10 most powerful drones. And I've arranged them not because of their potential or their quality, but anyway, I had to put them in 10 groups. So welcome and observe. You can subscribe and you comment whatever you want, okay? Yes, thank you for watching, and I insist, if you don't mind, to subscribe so that you get the next episode that I'll be uploading. Thank you for your company. Thanks for your time. Until next time. Thank you.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream